friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some Walgreens magic, and today is Sunday, December the 1st, the first week of December, the last month of the year. Oh my gosh. We have a lot in this flyer, and even if you don't want to do a big basket, we have some deals and steals. But first thing, if I could ask a huge favor, if you could like this video, I would be so grateful and so appreciative. So like the video, you guys rock. Okay, so here's my first problem with today. I had a bunch of expiring register rewards, and we have a working snowstorm that's been going on since Thursday. And typically, where I live, when there are snowstorms that last days and days and days, the roads get really bad and the accumulations get thick. So it took forever to get to the store, and once I went to the store, I did a couple quick transactions, came to learn that the photo printer too at Walgreens, they ran out of paper. So all the photo prints that I was hoping to get, I have to wait till Monday now. So went into the store, did some quick deals, and then bolted. So I'm really going to need you guys in the comments down below to let me know what is and is not working. I did have a lot of people message me, but I'm kind of like, I can't go to 2 or 3 stores because the weather is really bad here. I also recommend that if you are in a snow belt, say you live up in Rochester or Upper Peninsula of Michigan, I would recommend to just skip it, and hopefully your store will honor your register rewards. I just went out like a crazy person today, and thankfully I made it home safe because I went first thing, but just be careful on the roads as well, guys. Okay, so this is the thing. We have a free code for an 8x10 photo. If you use the code PHOTOFREE, you can get 1 free 8x10 per account. And many people are reporting that the 5 back when you spend 15, that paper booster is printing again. So you have until the 4th, I believe, which is Wednesday, to order your free print. And you can utilize that 5 back when you spend 15 on a lot of deals. And just to show you, I did this on a desktop computer. It worked perfectly for me. My unfortunate thing is that they could not fulfill the print because of a problem at the store. It's happened once before, but of course it would happen in the middle of a snowstorm where I just can't zip back to the store. So I'm just going to have to wait. But I'm asking my subscribers if you have success with that booster printing. If you could let us know in the comments down below. Say you're in Northern California, just write California, Florida, wherever state you might be, and say, hey, Kimono, it's actually printing the 5 back when you spend 15 to share with others. And if it isn't, you're still getting a free print. So there's not a penny in the mix here to get this one to go. But if you can share with others, it would be very helpful. The first deal we're going to talk about, and yes, I did test this out, is with the SCHICK disposable razors and a can of shaving cream. It's to spend 10, get back a $5 register reward, and it worked for me. So you see those green razors that are tagged? They're actually tagged wrong. They're $8.99. And we have this $4 digital coupon that is attaching. Make sure you have it loaded. So this is going to bring up $8.99 for the razors. And then the shave cream will be $1.99 at 50% off. And it's buy one, get one 50% off, and then a $5 register reward when you spend 10. And then we're going to load this guy for the shave cream, which is $1 off. So really nice $5 of coupons, the $1 plus the $5 off. And then just to show you, this is the promotion of spend 10, get back a $5 register reward. And for this one, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. I did test it out this morning. And the register reward, after the transaction had finished, it printed like about a minute after from the machine, which is really weird. But just to show you, $8.99, $1.99, you have surpassed that $10 mark. I had a $3 register reward from Oral-B a couple weeks back. I utilized one of those. My $4 digital, my $1 digital, $2.98. I used $3 in Walgreens cash, paid the balance, and then got back this $5 register reward. So a super deal. I think it shakes it out to 49 cents per shave cream or disposable razor, which is an extreme couponing price point. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is utilizing this guy. So fingers crossed that it's printing for you guys at the photo counter. I really hope so. We're going to grab 5 of the Walgreens brand paper towels or toilet papers. And yes, you can mix and match. It's the ones that are $5. And then we have a $1.50 store coupon that's attaching to them. So it's making them exceptionally cheap, especially with that booster. And this is what it looks like. It's $1.50 off of one, but it'll attach to more than one in your transactions. So you can mix and match, or if you just want the paper towel, go for it. I know a lot of people are not too fancy with the Scott products. So 5 of these products you can mix and match or do whatever you wish. And this is just a very straightforward deal. So 5 of them at $5 a pop is going to be $25. And then you're going to scan that paper booster. And then that $1.50 will come off 5 times, subtracting $7.50. So what you're going to do is pay $17.50 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $5 for spending $15 from that booster. So it makes it $12.50 for the 5, or $2.50 per pack of paper. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend booster. Spend 5 to get back 15. This is a very unique coupon. It's a $3 off any ACT product. So this kid's bubblegum toothpaste, unfortunately, my store was completely out. It's $3.49 with this digital coupon, 49 cents. Perfect little stocking stuffer for the little ones. Alternatively, if you love these dry mouth lozenges, I certainly love them. It's going to be $3.99 for a product that's almost $7. I'm going to get a bunch and throw them into my stocking because it's a really great product, like top notch. And basically, it's you ever just feel kind of like dry mouth or just like yuck mouth in the middle of the day, or if you're out shopping, you just pop one of these in your mouth, and it's a really super product. It's like a mint, but it really activates your salivary glands. I've been a fan of these for a really long time, and I love this product. Okay, so we're still in that toothpaste aisle. You're either going to get the Colgate Optic White for $4, or alternatively, you can get the toothbrushes priced at $4. I apologize, I don't have any tags for you. I was in the store first thing, and they did not hang those tags as of like 9 a.m. We have this, which is a 4 off of 2, and these products are $4 this week. So basically, this is like a BOGO free, and $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these products for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2, or 50 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal just to get something on the cheap. And I think 50 cents is definitely a stock up price for this. And you can grab either the paste or the brush. I'm not sure if the mouth rinses are included, so you'll have to go look for that. Another great deal that we have is with the Arm & Hammer, the scent beads, the laundry, the pods, or the liquid. The liquids are in smaller bottles. I know a lot of people don't really like that, but they are 4 for $10 this week. We have this very generous 2 off of 4 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded, and you guessed it, it's going to make it $8 for the 4, or $2 each. And if you are a newer couponer, this is definitely one that I would do. And you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but I would absolutely stock up. This is a meat and potatoes laundry care product, especially those scent beads. It's not every go around that we get them this cheap. Now, I know only a handful of us got this one digital coupon, but if you love the Head & Shoulders, this is a very good deal this week. They are $6 a pop, $3 register reward when you buy 2, and a lot of us have this, which is a 4 off of 2, which is a very generous coupon. I know most of us have a 3 off of 2, but the 4 off of 2 is just a bit sweeter. So 2 of these smaller bottles at $6 a pop is $12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2, or $2.50 per bottle. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now for this final deal, we're doing a $50 basket. So you need this guy loaded, and hopefully you got the same one as I'm going to have to do this deal a little bit later in the week because I had some problems where I could not get my photo print to print, and I could not get the paper booster. So, it's just sometimes the breaks of this, So we're going to have this guy loaded, which is your digital booster. And then from the photo counter, as I was talking about at the beginning of the video, hopefully this guy is printing. And please share with us in the comments down below what is and is not working for you, if you could be so kind. So we're going to grab 4 of the Gain laundry care products at $5.49. There's a $4 register reward when you buy 4. And we have a huge value of digital coupons that are attaching to these smaller gains. So you guessed it, we're getting a pod one, we're getting the liquid, we're going to get a dryer sheet, and then some fabric softener as well. So 4 mix and matches of products. And then these are all the digital coupons. $1.50 off the liquid, $1.55 off the pods, $1.50 off of the fabric softener, and $1.50 off the dryer sheets. This is like $6 and some change of digital coupons, guys. So like, yes. We're also going to grab 2 of these large Dove men's care for $10 each. So that's $20, $3 in Walgreens cash when you buy the 2. This would probably fill somebody's stocking perfectly if they've been good this Christmas. And then we also have a 6 off a 2 digital coupon, which is really fantastic. Fetch Rewards is also giving back 1,000 points when you buy $12 of Dove Men's. Please double, triple check that you have it, but that's fantastic. And if you have not signed up for Fetch, I will link my referral link in the notes. And then if you sign up, I think you're given an extra $2 if you scan any receipt. So it's a cool app. We're also going to grab 2 of the Colgate products for $8, and we're also going to load our friend, which is the 4 off 2 digital coupon. Now, the last item that isn't pictured is to grab a candy at checkout for about 50 cents. Whatever you want, gift wrap, candy, anything under $1. So here it is, guys. 4 of the Gain detergents for $21.96 at $5.49 a pop. 2 of the Dove Men's pumps for $10 each for $20. 2 Colgate products for $8, and then 1 miscellaneous candy for 50 cents. So those little caramels, if they have the suckers, whatever to get you past that $50 threshold. So our total here is $50.46. Your digital booster is loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend $50. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster as well. You have $16.05 in digitals melting off that I showed you in the slides previous. With your debit card, you're going to pay $34.41 as you have 2 boosters, a paper and a digital one. And then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the 50, and then 5 for 15. And then you're getting back $7 in register rewards, 3 for Colgate, 4 for the Gain, and then you're getting back an extra $3 in Walgreens cash for Dove Men's. Plus, you're also going to get $1 back from Fetch for that. You're going to have to photograph the receipt. So it makes it $8.41 for the 8 items, or $1 and some change per item. And let's not forget, class, not to use Walgreens cash as you're stacking 2 spend boosters with this deal. Not bad. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. And please let us know in the comments down below what is and is not working for you with the 5 back when you spend 15 paper booster. Is it printing, and what state you're in? Thank you so much, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.